to here? Well, Dora, I'm waiting for my tulips to grow. They're so beautiful and colorful, but I can't see how they're growing. Poppy, that's because flowers grow really slowly, especially in springtime when they first pop out of the ground. They grow very slowly and it takes some time for you to see the flowers, right? Oh, okay. Well, I'm just gonna sit here and watch them grow. Okay, Poppy, you go and do that. Hi, kids. It's Dora from Pop Kids Yoga. And it's me, Poppy. I'm watching my tulips grow. Yes, Poppy, we know. Hi, kids. So welcome to our Spring Yoga Day. And today, we're gonna learn how a tulip grows from a really, really tiny little bulb, right? You planted your tulip bulbs before the winter, and they've been waiting underground all winter in the cold, in the snow, and now that spring is here and there's a lot of sunshine, they're gonna start growing, and let's check out how they're gonna do that. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna learn that too. I'm all ready for my yoga class here. Very good, Poppy. Okay, kids, hop on your mats. And first of all, put my little yoga blocks to the side. Every tulip is first a bulb. A teeny tiny little bulb sitting underneath the ground in the soil. So come to your feet and be really tiny. Hug your knees, your thighs with your arms. Hold opposite elbows, tuck your chin under, and try to have your entire foot, the soles of your feet on your mat. If you're not doing that, you can also stand like this on your tippy toes. Just make sure your back is really round and you're super tiny, okay? So we're starting from here, and every year when the first ray of sunlight starts warming up the soil, the little tulip bulb starts to grow. So let's start growing really slowly. Start standing up super slow. Okay, just like that, a tiny little tulip. The stem is growing out, and you grow, stand up straight, bring your arms beside you, and there you are. You're out of the ground, you're peeking around, and your first leaf starts to grow. Bend your knees a bit and start bringing your arms up above your head, cross the side, and put the palms of your hands together. So this is my first tulip leaf here. And it can grow to the right, so bend to the right, come back to the middle. It can also grow to the left, bend to the left, and come back to the middle. Slowly, legs straight, come to standing, and bring your arms beside your body. Again, bend your knees, and your second tulip leaves are growing. And bring your palms together, and this time, my tulip leaf first grows to the left, but if you want, yours can grow to the right. Come back to the middle and slowly bend to the right. Very nice, amazing. Come back to straight, bring your arms beside you, and straighten your legs. Now what comes next? I know, Dora! The flower is going to start growing. Exactly, kids. So come onto your knees, just like that. And we're going to watch as the flower of our tulip starts growing. So slowly, same movement. Start bringing your arms to the side and up above your head. And our beautiful tulip flower, mine is purple, is all ready, and it's purple and with a little bit of pink. Bring your palms to touch, and when the sun shines really strong, then I my flowers and I hear someone approaching me and I hear aloud, breathe in children, and as you breathe out, the bees are here. Zzz, sparkle your fingers a bit. Zzz, imagine those are the bees who are landing onto you, 2 playful bees. Breathe in again. And zzz. Oh, that tickles Mr. Bee. Zzz. And our bees have flown away. The sun is going down, so close your flower a bit. Wave goodbye to the bees and slowly come and sit on your heels. Bring your forehead to your mat, your arms beside your body, and just be a resting tulip, all closed up for the night, preparing for the first ray of sunlight early morning. Take 2 deep breaths here. Ah, it's so wonderful to be a tulip. Ah, it's so wonderful to be beautiful and purple. Slowly straighten up, and the next friends from springtime who return are the birds. And today I've decided to become a beautiful white stork returning from a long African journey. Come, bring the bottom of your feet to touch. Interlace your fingers, grab your feet, close your eyes, sit with a straight back, and use your thighs, your legs as your stork wings, and start flying back towards your home. A beautiful nest on a long chimney somewhere in the countryside. Keep flying, it's not far away. Move your legs up and down, and now with a straight back, push your shoulders away from you and try to bring your thighs as close to your mat or to the floor as possible. Stay here for a moment and glide through the wind. Breathe in. And as you exhale, you land in your nest which you left there last year, and stand up and you look around what has changed in the scenery. Lift your right leg up, bend your knee, your feet point to the back, and bring your hands, your arms in front of you. And there you are, a beautiful stork, right? Look around a bit, balance here. Try to concentrate on one spot right in front of you. Open your beak, close it, open, close it, open, close it. Caught a fly. And put your right foot down. Change your leg, bring your left foot up, and balance on your right leg. Your right leg is strong. Activate the muscles in your leg. Look at one point, focus, and stay here. Just like the storks do, standing and looking around in their nests, in the sunshine, with a warm breeze on their feathers. Open, close, open, close, and one last time, big open. Hoping the frog's gonna jump in. And close your beak, very nice. Bring your left foot back to your mat and come into a comfortable seated position on your mat. Now in springtime, it's very important to make sure that you spend a lot of time outside in the sunshine. And whenever the sun shines, you make a big smile, okay? So big smile, ready? Sunshine, and look up. Big smile, sunshine, look up. circling motion with your arms. There you go. I think we're all ready for springtime now. What do you say, Poppy? We're definitely ready. And now I know there's no point for me to sit here the whole day because I'm not going to see how flowers grow because they grow really slowly. That's right, Poppy, very good. So we can go outside and play now and we'll come back later to check on your tulips. Okay, good idea. So kids, thanks for being with us today and joining our spring yoga adventure, and we'll see you next week. If you want, you can do this yoga sequence also outside in the garden in the sunshine, or of course inside because in spring there's a lot of rain because the flowers need water to grow besides sunshine. So thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next week. Bye! I'm gonna take my tulips outside with me. Okay, fine, I thought we agreed that you're not going to sit and watch them the whole day. Anyway, I'm gonna take them outside.